here's a first for me. I've never had a Triumph 1800 in my inventory, so I've never even driven one. So kind of excited to take a little spin. I just did a really massive photo session. The car's been running for easily an hour, and it's about 8 degrees out. You can see the temperature there. It just runs nice and cool. Speedometer's working. Everything looks to be working. The only thing I'm not sure if the fuel gauge is working, so we'll take a look at that and see if that's working or not. We'll just blow on gas. The semi-4s work. Turn the blinkers when they come, and the car just runs beautifully. In all honesty, I'm not used to shifting these things, and they're a little different, so it's a beautiful, beautiful restoration of this classic Triumph, that's for sure. Nice running car, doesn't smoke, very quiet, runs cool, brakes feel great. So that's what I got. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'm Don Dabney. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics. All my contact information is up on the listing page. Thanks for checking out this